Hello, I'm Charles Beeson. I'm an anxiety therapist in Cupertino, California, and I've been in practice for over 35 years helping people to alleviate severe anxiety disorders. I spent 15 years developing a unique program called the Instacalm Anxiety Treatment. One of the first things I advise my clients to do is to begin listening to a deep relaxation recording called Deep Calmness early in the morning soon after they wake up. Get out of bed, go do the things you normally do, then do not go back to bed, but go sit down in an easy chair or even a reclining chair, or go lay down on the couch. Use headphones or earplugs. The recording is 19 minutes long. It'll awaken you at the end. We will begin in 10 seconds.
Make yourself comfortable. Let your hands rest easily in your lap or on the arms of the chair. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Hold it and slowly exhale through the mouth. And again, breathing in pure relaxation and exhaling all the stress and tension of the day. Let go. One more time. Slow, deep breath, thinking, I am. And exhale, relaxed, calm and peaceful. Let go of all the tension. Think of your whole body becoming limp and relaxed. Think of your muscles in your scalp and forehead becoming very comfortable and relaxed. You will find that as you think of these muscles relaxing, they will do so. As the forehead relaxes away all the worry lines, you may notice a slight increase in tension around the eyebrows. Concentrate on the eyebrows and all around the eyes, and this tension will fade away. Feel the tiny muscles in the eyelids relax, and let the relaxation move deep inside the eyes and deep in the back of the eyes, the space between your eyes. That space is infinite, with no beginning and no end. Let all the facial muscles relax over the cheekbones and the cheeks, the jaw and chin, the lips and mouth. Relax. Let the relaxation move deep inside the mouth. As the muscles in the mouth relax, you will find that your mouth becomes not too moist and not too dry, but just moist enough to keep you perfectly comfortable. Feel the relaxation spread deep into the back of the throat, deep into the back of the head, deep down the back of your neck, the sides of your neck. Think of the muscles in your neck as strands of rope twisted together again and again, unraveling now, becoming loose and limp, and down into your shoulders, relaxing, down into the arms. Relax the arms, the upper arm. Concentrate on the forearms and feel them relax. All the muscles between the elbows and wrists relax. Feel relaxation spreading across the tops of the hands and deep into the hands and deep through the palms. Now the fingers relax, and each and every finger relaxes one by one as you go deeper and deeper, relaxed, all the way to the fingertips. And as the tips of the fingers relax, you may or may not feel a slight tingling in the fingers. If you do, you will find it to be a very pleasing sensation, a very pleasant tingling in the fingers. Bring your attention again back to the relaxed muscles of the neck and shoulders. Let the relaxation flow into the chest and lungs. Your breathing is easy and gentle, slow, rhythmic. You feel yourself relaxing more and more with each gentle and easy breath. You relax more and more, hearing the sound of my voice with each word I say. All outside sounds are unimportant. You will not allow any outside sounds to interfere with your relaxation. Only the sound of my voice is important now. Let the relaxation spread into the broad of the back. Let it move gently down the back to the small of the back. Let all the muscles of the body go to sleep, in a sense, while you remain perfectly conscious, aware, and focused. Your unconscious mind helps you to feel the relaxation spreading around and around, deep into the sides and ribs. Let the muscles of the abdomen relax, reminding you once again of your breathing. In through your navel, feeling the gentle warm air leave through your throat and nose. So calm, so relaxing. All the muscles of the abdomen and hips and into the thighs relax. Now let the legs relax down into the hollow of the knees, down through the hamstrings, down into your ankles, the feet, the top of the feet, down to the bottom of the feet, and each and every toe relaxes one by one as you go deeper and deeper. It feels so good to relax and let go of all the tension and all the stress. Your thoughts drift and dream. You think of many things and always return to the sound of my voice. Now, as you relax deeper and deeper, I want you to imagine and see and feel yourself walking along a beautiful beach. The sun is a shiny, warm, golden disk in the sky, and you can smell the faint odor of the salt water. It is a beautiful day, and you can feel the gentle breeze blowing through your hair. The calm, warm rays of the sun caressing your body. And with each step you take, you feel more and more deeply relaxed. The waves are full and rhythmic as they reach toward the sand, warm and swirling, advancing, retreating. As you continue walking along this long stretch of ocean front, and as you gaze at the waves, you see and feel the calm strength of the water, the power of the wave as it rushes forward, wiping out all feelings of anger and fear, washing away all jealousy and hate. As the waves roll forward, you notice the water shimmering in the light, smoothing the sand, retreating quickly, taking away all negative emotions of shame and guilt. Thoughts of envy and revenge are washed away. Gone is all the bitterness. Thoughts of condemnation are wiped out by the cleansing power and relentless rhythm of the waves, soothing, calming, transforming, as they erase all negative feelings and imperfections from the surface of the sand, smoothing out the rough edges, leaving a beautiful, peaceful surface. Walking down the beach. The beauty and power of your surroundings causes a deep change within you. You feel as though a large burden has been lifted from your shoulders as you leave all the negative feelings behind. Your thoughts are becoming harmonious with the deep calmness that now fills your being, attracting now happy thoughts as the realization of the magnificence of life overcomes you as you pause to enjoy these surroundings. You are so comfortable, so relaxed. You may notice a heavy feeling in different parts of your body, and then again, you may feel very, very light. Which any way you feel, begin to notice that feeling is getting stronger and stronger. You are becoming like a cloud. Imagine yourself as a soft, puffy cloud drifting way up into the sky, or drifting deeper and deeper down. As I count down from 10 to 1, you will drift down to the deepest state of relaxation you have ever known yourself to be. Are you ready now? 10. Going deeper, relax. 9. Deeper and deeper, relax now. 8. Even deeper. 7. Way down. 6. Letting go completely. 5. Down. 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 4. Deeper. 3. Relax. 2. Way down deep. 1. Relaxation. Deep relaxation. Each and every day, you're becoming more calm and relaxed in all situations. You're seeing things in their true perspective without blowing things out of proportion. Anytime you begin to feel tension, anxiety, or stress, you automatically take a deep breath and slowly exhale. You then hear the word relax resounding in your mind and body, and instantly feel a wave of calmness come over you, reminding you of the relaxed feelings you're experiencing right now. Anytime you begin to feel tension, anxiety, or stress, you automatically take a deep breath and slowly exhale. You then hear the word relax resounding in your mind and body, and instantly feel a wave of calmness come over you, reminding you of these relaxed feelings. You know now hypnosis is safe and feels so good. You accept these suggestions and let them work for you. Each and every day, you're getting better and better in every way. And now, I'm going to count from 1 to 5. At the count of 5, you will become wide awake and alert, feeling refreshed and full of energy, with a wonderful feeling of well-being. 1. You wish to wake up now. 2. Taking a deep breath. Your body needs more air. 3. Coming up. Coming up. 4. Energy moving out to your fingers and toes, beginning to move and stir. And 5. Eyes open, wide awake and alert, and have a great day and a wonderful evening.